Welcome to Semiconductor in Solar Cell. What is solar cell? Solar cell is also known as photovoltaic cell, PV cell. PV cell harnesses sunlight to generate electricity. Layers in PV cell are as such: glass, conductive metal contact, semiconductor N-type, semiconductor P-type, and conductive metal bits. Why silicon is used in PV cell? Crystalline silicon cells are made of silicon atoms connected to one another to form a crystal lattice. This lattice provides an organized structure that makes conversion of light into electricity more efficient. So how does PV cell generate electricity? When sunlight strikes a PV cell, electrons in the silicon are ejected and formation of holes occurs. If this happens in electric field, the field will move electrons to the N-type layer and holes to the P-type layer. If the N-type and P-type layer are connected to metallic wire, electron will travel from N-type to P-type layer by crossing the depletion zone. Then the electron continue move through the external wire back of the N-type layer. This will create the flow of electricity. Thank you.